Hello my dear students, once again it's Accelerate Tutorials and I'm Sunita Dubey. In my previous video I had explained the poem My Mother at 66 by Kamla Das. Now I'm here with the extract based questions of the same poem. So let's begin. The first extract. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. Questions related to this stanza. Question number 1. Name the poem and the poetess. The answer is, the name of the poem is My Mother at 66 and the poetess is Kamla Das. Question number 2. Where had the poetess gone? Answer. The poetess had gone to her parents' home. Question number 3. Where was she driving towards? Answer. She was driving towards the Cochin airport. Question number 4. What was the day? Answer. It was a Friday. Second extract. Doze, open mouth, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked and put that thought away. Questions related to this stanza. Question number 1. Mention the symptoms of old age. Answer. The symptoms of old age are doze, open mouth, face ashen like that of a corpse. Question number 2. What has she compared her mother's face with? Answer. She has compared her mother's face with a corpse, which means a dead body. Question number 3. Mention the poetic devices used in this stanza. Answer. The poetic devices used here are imagery, simile, and contrast. Example of imagery, that is visual imagery, are doze, open mouth, face ashen, and corpse. The example of simile is like that of a corpse, because like is used, so it is a simile. The example of contrast is as old as she looked, contrasting the appearance of the mother with her age. Question number 4. Which thought does she want to put away? Answer. She wants to put away the thought of losing her mother because all the symptoms of old age appear on the face of the mother. Third extract. And looked out at the young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. Questions related to this extract. Question 1. Why do the trees appear to be sprinting? Answer. The trees appear to be sprinting because the car is moving ahead. Question 2. What do the young trees sprinting signify? Answer. The young trees sprinting signifies the passage of time. It also signifies energy, enthusiasm, strength, and life. Question number 3. What does the merry children spilling out of their homes signify? Answer. The merry children spilling out of their homes signifies fun, frolic, happiness, energy, enthusiasm, and playfulness. All these are contrasted with the old mother who is sitting in the car. Question number 4. Mention the poetic devices used in this stanza. Answer. The poetic devices used in this stanza are personification, metaphor, and imagery. Example of personification is young tree sprinting. Sprinting is human quality which is given to the tree, so it is a personification. Example of metaphor, the merry children spilling out of their homes. Example of imagery, young trees and merry children. Extract 4. Standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, worn pale as a late winter's moon. Questions related to this extract. Question 1. Why did the poetess look at her mother again? Answer. The poetess looked at her mother again because she was worried about the well-being of her mother. Question 2. What does worn and pale mean? Answer. Worn means weak and faint. Pale means light yellowish color. Question 3. Mention the poetic device used here. Answer. The poetic device used here is simile. Example, as the late winter's moon. Question number 4. Why has she compared her mother to the late winter's moon? Answer. She has compared her mother to the late winter's moon because the moon is dim and obstructed. Same way, mother's beauty is obstructed by wrinkles. In addition to this answer, winter is also the last month of the year. Similarly, old age is the last stage in man's life. Fifth extract. And felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear, but all I said was see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. Questions related to this extract. Question 1. What was the childhood fear that now troubled the poetess? Answer. The childhood fear that now troubled the poetess was the thought of separation or the fear of losing the mother. Second question. What were the parting words of the poetess? Answer. The parting words of the poetess were, see you soon, Amma. Question 3. Mention the poetic devices used here. Answer. The poetic devices used here are apostrophe and repetition. Example of apostrophe is see you soon, Amma. Here Amma is the unseen audience. Example of repetition is smile and smile and smile. Question number 4. Why did the poetess smile and smile and smile? Answer. The poetess smiled and smiled again and again to console her mother and even console herself that they will meet soon. That's all. Thank you, children, for listening so patiently. I hope this video will be very, very helpful to you all. So, bye till then.